What if I told you that 90% of your financial stress in your 30s could be avoided by the time you turn 25? Sounds dramatic, right? But it's true. And the scary part? Most people don't realize they're ruining their future until it's too late. So whether you're 18 and just getting started, or 28 and feeling a bit behind, this video could save you from years of financial regret. Stay with me, because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to share 7 powerful financial basics every young adult must master before 25 if you want freedom, wealth, and peace of mind. And trust me, this isn't your boring finance class. We're cutting the fluff, slapping you with the truth. And yes, there will be some uncomfortable truths and probably a few awkward chuckles. Let's dive in. 1. Learn to budget like a CEO. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about control. If you don't tell your money where to go, it'll disappear faster than your willpower at a Taco Bell drive-thru. You need a simple system. 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings, investments. And no, Starbucks doesn't count as a need. Sorry. When you track every dollar, you gain confidence, not just in your finances, but in yourself. Think of it like GPS for your money. Without it, you're just driving blindfolded on a financial highway. Coming up, the financial move that will either make or break your 30s. 2. Build an emergency fund. Unexpected car repair, job loss, medical bill. Let's be real, life punches everyone in the face. A flat tire, a lost job, a medical emergency. These things aren't if, they're when. That's why your emergency fund is your financial armor. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses in a separate savings account. Not under your mattress, not in crypto. Imagine getting fired tomorrow. Do you feel peace or panic? Your answer tells you everything. And next, the most powerful money move that schools never taught us. 3. Start investing early, like yesterday. Here's the truth. You can't save your way to wealth. The real magic? Investing. And no, you don't need to be rich to start, but you do need to start young. Why? 2 words. Compound interest. Think of it as the universe rewarding you for being patient. Start with index funds or a Roth IRA. Even $100 a month in your early 20s can grow into 6 figures by retirement. 4. Avoid lifestyle inflation. You get a raise. You celebrate by getting a better apartment, a newer car, and 3 streaming services you'll never watch. Welcome to lifestyle inflation, where your income grows, but your bank account doesn't. It's a trap, and it's how high earners still live paycheck to paycheck. Fight this by living below your means, even when you don't have to. Delayed gratification isn't punishment, it's power. Speaking of power, let's talk about the one tool that can either build your credit or destroy your life. 5. Master credit. Don't fear it. Credit isn't evil. Misusing it is. Your credit score affects your interest rates, renting an apartment, even landing some jobs. Pay on time. Keep your credit usage under 30%. Don't open a dozen cards chasing airline miles. And yes, your college free pizza for a credit card sign-up deal was probably a trap. Build credit like you're building trust. Slow, intentional, smart. And that brings us to a simple truth that could change your financial life overnight. 6. Know your financial goals. Most people are broke because they have no goal. Money without a mission gets wasted. So, what are you working toward? A house? Financial independence? Traveling the world without checking your bank balance first? Write down your short-term and long-term goals and align your spending with them. Money is a tool, not a trophy. Use it with purpose, or it will be used for you. And finally, the mindset shift that separates the wealthy from the average. 7. Think long-term. Act now. Here's the cold truth. Your future is arriving, whether you're ready or not. Every dollar you spend today is either building the life you want or the life you'll regret. Your 30s will reflect your 20s, so start thinking long-term. Don't just chase what's easy now. Build what's meaningful later, because by 25, it's not just about making money, it's about making moves. And speaking of long-term, the next video you watch should be about the power of compounding.